Hello, cabin building lovers. This time, we're building a small cabin lodge with our kits. This site will have 5 A-frame cabins and a cozy little restaurant. Here's how it all comes together in just 35 days, from zero to core and shell. If you enjoy this, please subscribe to our channel for more as we build and ship kits to many countries, especially to the USA nowadays. We start building on full slab foundations. First step, placing our sill plates. Even though the concrete work is good, there might be small leveling errors on the surface. Using chemically treated sill plates ensures a solid connection to the concrete. Next, we place the corner posts. They interlock directly with the sills, so we can slide in our prefab panels easily. Everything in our system uses tongue and groove joints. To ensure it's airtight and watertight, we apply PU caulk on the joints. By the way, why don't you hit the like button if you like it? Maybe you want to write a comment or something? We manufacture the panels with minimal fitting gaps, so sliding larger panels into place sometimes requires a little hammering and pushing. Here's the decking, pressure-treated wood with small drainage gaps. While others are busy fitting joinery, we're already building the deck. All our openable windows and doors come standard with insulated aluminum joinery. Once the first floors are done, we move on to the rafters. We use a crane for efficiency, though it can be done by hand. The crane saves days of work. In just a few hours, all 5 A-frame rafters are in place. Then, we add roof panels and insulation. This project uses R20 insulation, but it can be increased up to R50. Finally, we place the metal roofing sheets. For this project, we're working as a 6-man team, so each task can be done repetitively for all the cabins. Here's a glimpse of the restaurant build. It was made with 6x6 GLT beams. It's a strong and simple way to construct a small restaurant in just a few days. Now, let's take a tour after the customer completed interior and landscaping work. Did you like this? Please share your opinions in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested, you can find a lot of cabin videos on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.